Sorry. All right. So I'm live on YouTube as well, and I'm going ahead now. So tick, 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 tick. All right. So I'm live on YouTube as well. Going ahead now. So I was talking about the new secret to ranking on Google Map, and there are few things which are very important. One of the thing is, if you searched for a business on a Google lately, you have probably seen AI mode bargaining into local results like it's running the show. So if you go on Google and search anything, now you can start seeing that directly. Doesn't matter what you search, the AI mode has already started showing the results. Now this AI mode directly can be on Google, which you are searching, or it is also applicable on Chat GPT. So anything that works great. So with AI mode now widely adopted, the game has completely changed when it comes to ranking your GBP, means Google Business Profile. Google's AI is scanning everything on your profile to decide if you are worth showing in local searches, and those old good enough tactics aren't cutting it anymore. Means Google AI and or ChatGPT or whatever, they are really going through the whole point of things. सब कुछ देख रहा है, सारा कुछ देख रहा है. Our PhD data scientist, professor of University of uh, Pennsylvania, ran a massive study on thousands of pig powered GBP to figure out exactly what's making the algorithm tick right now. We threw together a list of top three things you must do if you want to rank in current GBP landscape. So this has been one of the research from this particular university. Okay, and this is what exactly I've done. The first thing they have spoken about, like if you really want to rank, is get tons of reviews. Seriously, tons. Your reviews aren't just feedback, they are the training data for Google AI algorithm. So the more number of reviews you get, it's not only the number of reviews, but what comments somebody putting, that also matters. So the more number of reviews, the better it is for your Google Business Profile. More positive, okay, and keyword optimized. More positive or keyword optimized reviews mean richer AI summary. Let me just clean this and let me just bring it up. Okay. So what exactly it's saying, that the more positive keyword optimized reviews mean richer AI summaries and more recommendation to potential customers, which means more calls for you. Make getting them a habit, not a one off campaign, since Google values consistency and quality of reviews rather than just your total number. Helping get SEO optimized reviews is our specialty. So that is something They have just pointed it out. They might be marketing into this document. But what I'm saying that just counting the number of reviews are not the game anymore. How positive reviews are, what exactly being spoken about, the more you talk about it or the more your customer is talking about your product or services, the better it is, the better it is. अरे समझ आया क्या? Is this clear, guys? CL into chat box if this is clear. ये बात समझ में आ गई तो क्लियर लिख दो. Clear into chat box if this is clear. Thank you, Ved. Okay, now the next one. So what I'm saying, just don't take review as one of the activity. ये मत करो कि सिर्फ अच्छा चलो टाइम है तो रिव्यू ले लिया, नहीं है तो छोड़ दिया. ये ऐसा नहीं है. बहुत सारे ऐसे क्लाइंट्स होते हैं जो कि रिव्यू लेते ही नहीं है, फिर वो हमें कंप्लेन करते रहते हैं कि सर आपकी टीम ना उसको रैंक नहीं करा पा रही. भाई कहाँ से करें? दिस इज वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर. रिव्यू नहीं लेते हैं. ओके, नाउ द सेकेंड थिंग, show off every service you offer. This is another thing. You are doing giving all different kind of services, but the problem is you are not pointing out all the services. AI mode doesn't guess, it reads. ओके मतलब ये नहीं है कि चलो ठीक है अगर आप ये सर्विस देते हो तो यू देर मस्ट बी समथिंग दैट दिस इज ऑल्सो सिनोनिम ऑफ इट, एंड देन it will guess and it will give you the ranking. If your service aren't listed with clear keyword focused description, I'll show you what exactly I mean to say. Keyword focused description. So all the services has two things, and I have spoken about many time that you have to write down the services part. Into services there are three major things. Number one, that already like suggested services. Okay. Second one, custom services. And third one, whether it is suggested or custom, there has to be a description of the service. Okay, description of the service. And if you're putting this properly, like suggested is okay, but custom is something where you can use your primary keyword and then explain this with the description. Explain this with the description. That helps a lot. Okay. Now, Google won't connect the dots for you. Add them all, even the niche ones, and make sure they are written like a customer would search for them. So, with in your case, if you are into packer and movers business, you need to understand that it is not limited. It is not at all limited. For कि चलो ठीक है मैं packer movers की कर लिया. Packers and movers for rentals or whatever, or packers and movers for bank employees, packers and movers for army staff. So doesn't matter how many services you give, be very clear. And basically, and we provide the best service for the packers and movers for the army staff or something, this, that, blah, blah. So whatsoever is the searches which is happening, be very descriptive, be very clear about the services, and that is how AI is picking the data. The third one, the third one is nothing but I was just talking some time back, and it is flood up GBP with media. When I say media, what exactly it means? Media का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? So it is all about photos, short videos, behind the scenes shots, upload them all. Our study showed that profiles with the frequent high quality media uploads get significant more visibility than profile that rarely or if ever uploaded their media section. So, and I would just add one more thing here, that apart from tons of reviews, a lot of services, and the media, all of this has to be very, very regular. That is one. Second thing, the more you upload as a raw format, the better it is. The more you upload as a raw format, the better it is. Because all the media files have some metadata. Example, it has the details around where this picture has been taken, which area this has been taken, when this has been taken, yes, and what kind of product and service. And now AI is equipped enough to understand and read your pictures and tell that what kind of product and services you are really dealing in. And one of the important factor becomes recency, like when this has been uploaded, was it uploaded long back or what. Second thing, whether you are continuously uploading the pictures. So these two things, uploading the pictures and getting the reviews. When I say pictures, it can be the photos. Also, you can add some short videos, very small videos, in action videos, and that helps a lot. Is this useful, guys? Are you useful? Like, yeah? Is this useful? Yes, no, maybe. यस. सो ये ना रेगुलर बेसिस पे करना. अगर आप ऑलरेडी कर रहे हो, ग्रेट. इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग दैट, स्टार्ट डूइंग इट, बिकॉज दिस इज गोना win the whole game. Now again, what it has been written, I'll just read it out for you. The bottom line is, AI mode has made Google smarter, pickier, and more reliant on the full picture of your business. If you want to keep your GBP ranking strong, वीडियो बंद हो गया. अच्छा, I think my camera got switched off. No problem. So if you want to keep your GBP ranking strong as the algorithm grows more complex, you need to feed it as steady diet of glowing reviews, fully fleshed out services, and rich media. Our data proves that these actions aren't just nice to do; they are non-negotiable. If you want to stay ahead, AI-driven social search game and this and that. चलो तो ये क्लियर है. इज दिस क्लियर? समझ आया? अरे समझ आया क्या? Yes, no, maybe. Can you please type it in the chat box? Guys, if you can uh, excel, if you share, if you chat, I'll get to know that you are getting it. If you have any problem, if you have challenge, you just put that into the chat box also so that I can pick that in between. Got it? So when you're doing that, first start with the Google Business Profile keyword research, then check and update business names, research and update primary and other business categories, update business description as per the Google research. What is this? Okay, this is for the GMB plug. You can use it. Ensure you have the phone number, chat via text, WhatsApp is there, service area you have put in, update opening dates and time. So whatever is applicable, you do that. Like check correct business location and page. This is important. Update service areas, check and update opening hours, closing hours, special hours, all the attribute section. So that is the first thing which we talk about when it comes to completion of the Google business profile. Okay. Now, second thing is about photos and videos. So in photos and videos, add logo, cover photos, and we've just spoken about add minimum 10 of 10 pictures, 2, 3 short explainer videos, and so on and so forth. But the catch here is that you keep uploading everything. Should we upload services in product section? Yes, obviously we do that. वही तो करते हैं वेद. हमारे पास कौन सा फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट है? Okay. So the catch is that there are two kind of videos or photos you upload. One is as a owner and second as a user. Now, when you upload it as an owner, it's good. But if you get it uploaded as a user, since it's a user generated content, Google give more advantage or privilege or weightage to it. So more and more videos or photos which you ask you uh, even employees or the users to upload, and it is being uploaded from the different devices, it has higher weightage, and it's really recommended to get it done on a frequent basis. Got it? So keep doing this. Then next, so we started with the edit section, complete it, go to the next, then product section. Obviously, minimum you have to create four product category. Why four product category? Because whenever you go to any Google business profile, minimum four products product category will be available directly on their Google business profile. Example, uh, let me show you example. Example, if this is a urban event, okay, I just show you. So here you see explore category. These four category product category will be directly shown here. Like event planner in Pune, best event management, best birthday planner in Pune, wedding decorator in Pune. So now this is giving them a big advantage when it comes to the product. And under each product category, you should have multiple products. So each product category, you can see multiple products are there, and then each product should have the proper headline, the description, which contains the keywords, and then the pictures also related to this. Okay, and then you can get it anywhere, like visit site or do whatever you want to do. Okay, so this product section gives a good information, and is it's giving you an opportunity to have the keywords into your Google business profile. So I'm just going one by one, and accordingly, you just keep doing or updating every single thing, every single bit of it. Now, next. So we have done the photos, videos, products. Now we go with the services. As I said, services, update service under each primary and secondary category, add custom services per primary and secondary category, and update service description using primary and secondary categories. Okay, now what exactly it means, I mean to say, let me again show this to you. So for example, if I go to the service section, here under each primary category, this is a major business category, we have the service section. So under each service section, you can see two things are there. One is like services, like corporate and conference, and then there's a service description of 300 characters. So since Google is giving this option to us, we must utilize this. Okay. Now, if I just go down, here there's an option for add more services. If I click on it, predefined services will be shared apart from this, and you can select it. But apart from this, there's one thing that called add custom services. Here you have an opportunity to write down your services, so that for example, they are into event planner, so I can write down best event planner, sorry, in Pune. You can write down the complete keyword which you want to rank on, and you can save it. And then again, once you save it, you can write down the description also. So this is something which whenever I audit this, 60-70% of the people miss it out. Okay, तो ये चीज अगर हम कर लेते हैं, this becomes very powerful. Okay, why it becomes very powerful? Because first, you have an opportunity to use direct keyword, and it is legitimate, it works, and it works great. Second, that you are also using description, and Google, and this is exactly what that research of that university has said, that you add as many services as possible. Be it clear, clarify it, keep adding it, and keep adding all the description. You can see all the descriptions have been added here. So keep adding here. ठीक है जी, समझ आया? Now, many people ask this question that what about this profile strength? How do you do this? So there are multiple things over here you can see. If you just go and dismiss all of them, it automatically gets completed. So that's not a problem. All right. किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन होगा तो ग्रुप में डाल देना. If you have any question, just not in group, I mean into chat box, put that into a chat box so that I can take the question and answer as well. Okay. Next one is profile completion check. What is a profile completion check? Updates, create post, create offers, create event. That is something which you already know. Now there are three things: post, offers, and events. Uh, all three have three different application. Example: if I just go to the post, now they've changed the outlook. Add post. Here there is an option for update and then offer and then event. For post, you can have, I think at one point of time you can have 7 to 8 images here. So you can have multiple images or short videos, and then you can have 1500 characters stuffs here, so that you can use the keyword again. Now button, you can use the button, and mostly you use call now, or whatever you want to do, you do that. Now in case of offer, again there's a title, description. Even if you don't have offer, just create some offer. um, that should be specific with the keywords. There's an offer section here which you can do. Similarly, even if you don't even have any event, just create some kind of a event for your business. And for example, Sunday closing or something like that. Create something. Keep the things engaging for the people, and that becomes very powerful. Okay. Now this again giving you option to add a lot of keywords. तो आप पूछते रहते हो ना कि कैसे कीवर्ड को. So AI is also taking lot of input from these places. So please ensure that you add all of this. Okay. So it was about the offer. Okay. Now let me again show you the other thing. Sorry. Next. Next is reviews. Reviews, I have just spoken about that. Create QR code and do everything. Then there are some other stuffs like update booking links, WhatsApp. If you have menu section, you can update the menu section. Even for few of the services, we have the menu sections. Create and post 10 questions, answer the question as honor using the keyword. Try to get social media links, review and Google suggestion in profile, and apply or dismiss complete profile. So I'll just give you a walkthrough once for all of you so that you understand that. So I was talking about edit profile. So we have done that. You go to the read reviews and check how many of are not replied. Go and reply all of them one by one. Okay. Now next one, photos. Try to as many photos, pictures as possible. Check if you have the logo, cover photo, and everything. You if you go to the view all pictures, you have option to see all of the pictures. If there are any pictures which are outdated and all, you also have option to delete few of the pictures. So just in case, you can also add pictures as manager, as a user, both. Then you go ahead with the post, which I have spoken about, and keep updating something like post, offers, and events. Then this is a performance where you can go and check. Particularly, what important needs to be checked is like which all keywords are being used when I'm coming on the top of the Google searches. So this is important. Then you go to the edit profile section, add the products. If you already have uh, all the categories which are important and required for your primary keyword ranking, then fine. If you don't have, create one. So this is a golden thing which Google has given. So what we have done, like for many of the clients, we've just done this slight changes with respect to the keyword and everything, adding the product keyword into the product section, and that has created the magic when it comes to ranking. Then edit services, I've just spoken about it, so I'm not going to repeat this. Bookings, try to put some links and everything. It also helps to complete. If you want to ask for the review, you can check the this one. Now if your profile is related to, for example, let me check another profile. So if it is related to the biryani shop, like restaurant kind of, then there will be some different options also, like edit menu section, food ordering section, wet list section, and so on and so forth. So depending on type of Google business profile or type of category you have, accordingly you can change it. Also Google keep giving you the option what is not happening, so that it gives you indication. So go one by one about all the suggestions and complete your Google business profile accordingly. Got it? uh, Now, so these were the options for profile completion. Like you complete the Google business profile depending on the type of business you are in. Accordingly, the different options will be there. So that is number one. Second option is website check. As I suggested earlier, that every website you need to check these 9 things. What are the 9 things, guys? If you don't have this, write it down. Complete the schema markup. That's the first thing. I said this many times. Doctor's profile would need anything extra? No, mostly they are up for kind of a Shruti. Uh, that is mostly around the services kind of profile. Services kind of profile. The only thing which is required, like don't put any medicine name into the product section, because profile gets suspended. Now, keyword in website in headline, you have to ensure that the keyword should be there into the headline itself. Then the next one, if you want, you can write it down, guys, for you pointers. Map in the website. So Google Maps should be there. Basic. Frequently asked question. This gives you advantage. This gives you advantage to use the primary keyword, and Google and AI is also picking these details directly from here. So if you ask the question the way the human ask, and if you answer, then AI is also picking it up. नेक्स्ट नैप NAP, नेम एड्रेस फोन नंबर, ये तो होना ही चाहिए. Connect with the Google Tag Manager. This is very important. Why? Because if you're not connected with the Google Tag Manager or Google Search Console, then Google will not be able to list it out. So next is Google Search Console, then phone number in a header and footer section, and then validate the schema markup and do all of this. Now, what exactly I mean to say, whether Google Search Console has been connected or not. So let me just share you one example. How do we ensure that it is connected or not? So I'll just use my website. Although we are working on our website, we are going to revamp our website now. But I'll just show you for the reference. कहाँ गया? ये रहा. So let's say, for example, this is the website. Now, I just want to check whether this website is connected with the Google Search Console or not. ये Google Search Console से connected है कि नहीं है? So I'll just go to the Google Search Console. Google Search Console with the admin access, possible admin access, and go to the Google Search Console. So start now. If it is connected, you'll directly open it up. So this is how it will come. And then you can see some performance coming up, like 10, 12, 13 traffic is coming every single day over here. And there are multiple things, like if you go to performance, you get how many total clicks, how many total impressions, and average position, average CTR, what all keywords we are ranking on, kind of, for example, GMB expert, Digital Dhanu Private Limited, GMB expert in Delhi, and so on and so forth. GMB workshop. Yeah. So what all keywords we are ranking and in what position we are ranking. So everything will be there. Although we have not been doing the website SEO so far, but we are going to start it now very soon. because that is one of the area which had been a I would say a blind spot for us. So we were not doing that. But since we started doing it for the other people as well, we are starting doing it for ourselves. Okay. Now these are like few insights and so on and so forth. So why this is important? Because if this website is connected with the Google Business Profile and if it is not listed, even if you have the FAQ section or whatever the section which you have, if it is not going to be listed on Google Business Profile, ये Google Business Profile पे list नहीं हो पाएगा. ठीक है, so it's very important that we list this on Google My Business. Now, hope you got the point. Similarly, it's about the Google Tag Manager. So let me just stop it again and go ahead with the new one. Okay. So, guys, are we okay with that? W into chat box, if you're okay with this, like we're going to check all of this into the website. This is very important. This is very important from the prominence perspective. So we need to ensure that all these things are in place. Are you okay? Can you please type into chat box, W into chat box. अगर वेबसाइट पे सारी चीज़ें हम चेक कर लेंगे, कुछ दिक्कत आएगा, सो यू कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चन इनटू वेंसडे कॉल. जो वेंसडे हमारा इनर सर्कल कॉल होगा, वी कैन आई विल टेक द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आल्सो, ओपन क्वेश्चन आंसर. Now once we are done with this, we go with the citation check. Citation check हम करते हैं. Citation check में क्या करते हैं guys? Few things. Identification of directories as per the industry. So even few of the people has shared some list in our GMB Star Batch today. What I have suggested that don't just directly go and use that list. Rather, please check what kind of list is this. What all needs to be checked? Check domain authority with most.com. With only highest domain authority, you should be using it. Don't just start using any of the citation list, because it's domain authority is something like, आप ये सोचो कि कोई एक बहुत बड़ा बंदा आपको कुछ आपके बिजनेस सर्विसेज को सजेस्ट कर रहा है वर्सेस कोई भी कर रहा है. सो वी डिड नॉट वांट टू डू दैट. सॉरी. Then next, check the business information ready for consistency. So what all things are required to keep it consistent? If you want, you can note it down. It's not only name, address, phone number, but there are many other things. So business name, address, phone number, website, Google Map link, business category, logo, cover photo, business description, list of the services, email ID, latitude, longitude, Facebook URL, LinkedIn URL, YouTube URL, Pinterest, Twitter, all the keywords. All of this has to be consistent across. Now, this is the game, guys, and the game is like your competitors are not doing all of this. And if you do this, and if you keep it consistent across, then you'll win the game very easily. Okay, because prominence is all about how famous you are. Okay, how famous you are. And if you are maintaining it and you're doing this on a consistent basis, again, now I'm saying it is not a one time job, guys. You do the citation and you forget it. No, that's not how it would work. You keep doing some new citations every now and then. And if there are platforms where you can keep adding some photos and everything and the post, please keep doing that. Then complete the directory listing. Many a time I see the people do the citation, they just write name, address, phone number, and they'll submit it. No, don't do that. Follow the video or natural process specific to the directories. So there are videos which will be shared in the LMS if not already not shared. And in the directories part, follow the complete video, complete each and every field. You would be able to complete each and every field only when you have all these pointers ready with you. Otherwise, you'll be like, okay, this is not available, so and it is optional, so let me skip it out. For example, many a time you don't write the description, but if you have a description and if you can keep it consistent, that is a great thing you can do. Now check and maintain the listing. लिस्टिंग को एक बारी चेक करके मेंटेन करो. व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस, कीप द यूजर आईडी एंड पासवर्ड यूआरएल फॉर फ्यूचर रेफरेंसेस. सो साइटेशंस आर समथिंग. I'll tell you the advantage and I'll tell you the importance of it, guys. कितने लोग इसको importance नहीं देते हैं, भाव नहीं देते हैं. मैं बताता हूँ इसकी importance क्या है. There was one guy from US and what he said that my profile had been ranking just by using the citation, nothing else. He had he got some agency, they charged some amount and they listed him down on many platforms. Those agency had also used some paid media things, and they since they use the paid media things, it was like that they have ranked across many places. Then regular activities. What are the regular activities which we need to do? Number one, updates. What all updates? Post has to be going on a regular basis. What is the frequency? 2 to 7 days. Create post using ChatGPT, paraphrase using Quillbot, and check the AI content percentage using Zero GPT. So that's the process. Offers 7 to 15 days. You should give one offer. Event 7 to 15 days. Products weekly ones. Menu if and when required, and emails upload weekly, daily, whatever you can do. Videos weekly, daily, whatever you can do. So these are the different kind of generic things which need to be done on a regular basis. Many of time the profile do not get ranked, and or what happens, it ranks and then it goes down because we are not doing this on a continuous basis. Second, service with the description weekly basis. Then go ahead with the review response daily. Why daily? Because that gives you better advantage to respond, and it also shows that you are proactive and you are really searching and you are doing at everyday basis. Citation check and updates weekly. Social media post, Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and then Q&A if applicable. So this is all you do. Now next, maintenance and reporting. Uh, so what all list of keywords and their ranking, that is the first thing which you need to understand, like what exactly we need to report. Then performance. With respect to performance, what you can track, check how many interactions you got last month, then how many got you this month, so that you can do the comparison. And for example, last month you got 100 interaction and this month you got 120 interaction, so it means like 20%. Sorry, camera is here, I'm looking at the other camera. So 20% increase is there. Then similar, go to calls, bookings, directions, website clicks, WhatsApp message, and all. Why this is important? The moment you measure it, you'll start focusing on improvement. So it's very important that you measure it. Okay. Then reviews. Total number of reviews, number of review response, overall rating, and list of citations approval. Number of new citations submitted. So how many citations you're submitting, how many getting approved, and citation maintenance also if it is required. Regular activities tracking, it's very important. For example, in a week how many posts you have submitted, or in a month how many product you have uploaded, number of events you have created, offers you have created, social media posting you have done, number of reviews you have responded. So every single thing, if you track it in this very detailed way, Google will help you a lot, because since you're tracking, you'll try to improve it. So this is maintenance and reporting on a regular basis. So all of these things like profile completion, website checks, citations, regular maintenance and reporting, all of this has to be done. Although I have just taught every single bit of it in just maybe 2 hours or 1.5 hour. I mean, not 2 hours only, 1 hour of section, but this is something many a time the people are not able to do this continuously. तो अगर आप कंटिन्यूअसली करोगे तो आपको एडवांटेज मिलेगा, कंटिन्यूअसली नहीं करोगे तो एडवांटेज नहीं मिलेगा. So it's very important that you do this continuously, every time, every minute, and that helps you a lot. ठीक है. चलो. मीनवाइल आई जस्ट टेक फ्यू ऑफ द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. अगर किसी को क्वेश्चन है तो आप पूछ सकते हो. And I'm just stopping the YouTube streaming at this moment now. So guys, those who have joined with the YouTube, thank you so much. It will be live for some time and then it will be taken off, uh, so that you can just watch it, those who have not watched it. And those who are already part of the community, you'll get the recording of it also into the LMS. But the point is, it's not about the recording, it's not about anything else. It's more of how much you're going to implement out of it. अगर आप खुद से कर सकते हो करो. If you cannot do this on a regular basis, if you want to take our team's helps, you can take our team's helps. But do it on a regular basis, uh, and this gives you a very great return. Yes. So let me stop live streaming.